time for school. And let's be honest, most of us want to study smarter, not just longer. But which study tips are actually backed by science? Which ones really help your brain learn faster, remember more, and stay focused? Today, we're counting down the 9 best study tips proven by research, and some of them might completely change how you study. Tip 1. Short and spaced study sessions. First up, stop cramming. Your brain remembers way more when you study in short, repeated sessions instead of one long one. This is called the spacing effect. Think 20 to 30 minutes a day, not 10 hours the night before. Turns out your neurons need rest to strengthen connections. So yes, less time, but way smarter studying. Tip 2. Build a study routine. Your brain loves routine. Studying at the same time each day trains your brain to focus automatically. Over time, it's like flipping a study switch. Your brain knows exactly what to do. So instead of fighting procrastination, just make it a habit. Tip 3. Stop passive reading. Here's a big one. Rereading notes or highlighting everything? Totally useless. Studies show passive reading doesn't improve understanding. It just feels productive. Instead, try active recall, which leads us to Tip 4. Active recall and flashcards. Flashcards are basically your brain's best friend. By testing yourself, you force your brain to pull information from memory. And that's what makes it stick. Use them during your commute, on a break, wherever. It's one of the most science-backed study methods out there. Tip 5. Set one clear goal per session. Before every study session, set a specific goal. Maybe learn all the chemical reactions or review one chapter of biology. Focused goals keep your brain organized and motivated and help you actually measure progress. Remember, if you can't explain it simply, you don't really understand it. Tip 6. Teach it to someone else. Want to remember something forever? Teach it. When you explain a topic out loud, like even to your cat, your brain restructures the info in a clearer, more logical way. Research shows students who expect to teach perform way better on tests. So next time, pretend you're the professor. Tip 7. Practice testing. Don't wait for exam day. Practice tests train your brain to recall under pressure and expose what you still don't know. Even wrong answers help you learn faster. Your brain fills the gaps and locks the info in. Plus, more practice equals less anxiety on the real thing. Tip 8. Study in a dedicated space. Your brain connects places with activities, so studying in one consistent spot actually primes your brain for focus. Make it quiet, comfy, and distraction-free. And yes, that means put your phone away. Even one notification can kill your focus for minutes. Tip 9. Music. Friend or foe? Music while studying? Tricky. Research says music with lyrics can hurt focus and memory. Your brain starts multitasking. If you need background noise, try soft classical or ambient sounds. Otherwise, silence might be your best study buddy. So there you have it, the 9 best study tips backed by science. From short sessions and active recall to teaching and testing, these tiny tweaks make a massive difference. Try just one of them this week and see how your studying transforms. And if you want to dive deeper into how to train your brain to love studying, make sure to like, subscribe, and check out the next video on screen. Your grades and your brain will thank you.